Hi guys, hope you're all doing great. Welcome back to Nest Artfully. In this video, I'm going to be taking you guys through our process in setting up a wall or Murphy bed for our new home. We've gone through about 5 steps and I took you guys through the first step, which was doing online research to find a brand that specializes in such space saving solutions, and then we did a experience center visit of the brand Konverto here in Bangalore at HSR. So after that we got an idea of the kind of products they have, the kind of solutions they have, and we really liked the Murphy bed or the wall bed idea. For us, it was a very logical decision because we wanted to create a multifunctional space at home where we're not wasting the floor space. Essentially, with a traditional cot like this one, you lose about 70 to 80% of the floor space, and it's permanently taken up even though you may have guests coming over to sleep on that cot only once in a while. So we wanted to create a family room there where we can use it on a day-to-day basis, probably even watch TV there, and the kids can play on the floor there with their toys and so on, and we can bring down the wall bed only when guests are actually at home. Now the second step is the design phase. So we went to Konverto's office and we met up with the designers. We told them about what we have in mind. We shared our floor plan and the measurements, and based on that they tried to create a design that takes into consideration all the elements that we wanted to incorporate, and even the design aspect that we kind of were going for. So we went ahead and made those designs. We looked at color options, we looked at the laminates available, textures of laminates available, and so on. We looked at interior colors as well because we wanted to kind of go ahead and do something even more special in the guest bedroom. So we went through that entire process, and after we were completely happy with the design, we went into step number 3, which is the production that takes place at Konverto's factory. Now Konverto has their own factory where they manufacture all their products. We got the opportunity to actually go to their factory. Cam, my husband, is going to be taking you guys through a behind the scenes walkthrough of the Konverto factory, where you'll get to see how the products that were up until now just a design on a paper or a design on the computer is going to actually become a real touch and feel product. So let's take a look at that.
Hello everyone, today I'm at the Konverto factory. They've invited us to show us around, and we can go around and take a look at their processes, their state-of-the-art machinery, and also how they ensure that the best products, the best interior solutions reach your home.
The first step in making top-class interior modular solutions is to use the best quality raw materials, and Konverto uses best quality ply and MDF, which is then cleaned and applied with a strong adhesive. Laminate based on your choice is pasted on top of this, and the bond is secured by this cold press machine, which ensures a smooth laminate finish. The next step is to cut the laminated sheets according to the design specifications. Here, Konverto uses completely computerized machinery that takes input from the design and measurements document, which has been approved by the designer and the QC team. This machine cuts all the required sizes, which when assembled becomes your wardrobe or any other interior product that you have opted for. This machine also prints labels with instructions for further processing. The cut laminates have to be smoothened at the edges, and here Konverto has a variety of edge binding choice that is used to match with your laminate. This machine applies the binding accurately on the laminate edges and covers up the base ply and prevents exposure to elements. After this step, trained Konverto staff manually scrape the residual glue and trim the extra edges to give a smooth finish to the edges. This ensures no sharp surfaces for your safety and also long-lasting products. How do all these loose panels come together? This is where the necessary holes for putting in the fixtures come in, and the CNC machine does exactly that. Again, this step is computerized for precision drilling, and the parts will join seamlessly without any alignment issues. The same machine can also cut beautiful patterns for jali work, such as in your doors. After this, the products are manually reviewed and fixed with the necessary locks and dowels as per the design requirements. Once this is done, this goes through a rigorous quality control process where each product is assembled once at the factory to ensure zero defects. Any issues identified is rectified at the factory itself. Once the product passes the QC process, it is dismantled and safely packed to ensure no scratches or damages during transportation. All these neatly packed modules are shipped to your site where trained carpenters from Konverto assemble it on site to give you the best interior experience.
And that's a wrap on the factory visit. So I'm sure you guys got an interesting behind the scenes peek into how these products are manufactured and also how the quality is ensured so that when they arrive at your home, they perform the way they are meant to. In our case, these products are actually delivered at site and currently in the installation stage. So installation itself can take anything up to 2 weeks based on the kind of products you've gone for or the number of products across the home that you've gone for. So in our case, we've also kind of given a break in between because there's other work happening parallelly, and we kind of had to pause this one. But we have a few accessories like the mirror that is yet to be fit inside one of the wardrobe doors and certain other small adjustments to be made. But overall, the product looks very nice. Of course, you really get a sense of how these products work and how they feel only when you start using them. So that's what the final step is, where you use the product and you style it and stage it along with variety of other elements like lights and everything else and really see how it comes together. So that's what the next video is going to be. It's going to be the final reveal and styling video where you really get to see how it looks. So do stay tuned for that, and thank you so much for watching this, and let me know your thoughts in the comment section, or if you have any questions for me, do leave them in the comment section, and I will see you soon in the next one. Take care and bye bye.